Hello everyone, this is Rahul Sachdev, M.Pharm student from Government College of Pharmacy, Karad. I am here today to propose our innovative idea for COVID Hackathon 2020 entitled Paryapti Kavach. It is a Sanskrit term which means self-defense shield. Our team ID is A070. Our team consists of designer, creator and innovators Mr. Vipul Oswal, Mr. Darshan Sangvi, our mentor Dr. Manoj Sardesar and me myself Rahul Sachdev as team leader. As we all know, that COVID-19 crisis has brought up to develop new innovative solutions toward healthcare system, towards educational system. We are focused on the educational system to conduct wet lab practical pre and post lockdown, that is during the lockdown and after the lockdown. Wet lab practicals are the best platform where students learn to correlate theoretical knowledge with the practical skills, so they should not be neglected during this pandemic. Our idea is to convert immersive learning methodology into the educational system to conduct these wet lab practicals. If the practicals are to be performed practically, then they can use personal performing cabinets as an alternative. Our basis for this innovative idea is, as we have seen, when many of the countries have opened up the lockdown and are following social distancing rule and preventive measures. Immersive learning is finding its way in education system, as seen in many of the articles published. Our idea is to focus on preventive measures following the social distancing and the measures given by WHO and governmental organizations. We want that our idea should be implemented at each and every institute so that the student should not lack the practical knowledge and skill based learning. And we think that this idea will help institutes, teachers and students and can overcome the hurdle of conducting wet lab practicals. Thank you.